Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's create this beautiful eye makeup look which is super easy and beginner friendly. Let's create this step by step. First, I am applying a light brown shade all over my eyelids as a transition base. This will help every color blend smoothly later. Next, I am taking a black shadow and gently applying it on the inner corner and the outer corners of the eyelid. The center area blank because that's where we'll add our shimmer shade later. Make sure to blend the edges softly. We don't want any harsh lines. Blend the edges really softly. You want that smoky gradient effect. Once that's done, I'm layering a blue shimmer shade right on top of black. This helps intensify the depth while still keeping the look colorful. Take a small blending brush or any flat brush for more precision. Just pack the shade on top of black. Once that blended, I'm taking this grey shimmer shade and packing it lightly on the center of my eyelid. This gives a soft metallic reflection and add depth to the halo effect. I'm taking a clean blending brush and softly diffusing the edges of the shimmer into the blue, just to make sure there are no harsh lines where the two shades meet. The idea is to make that transition super smooth. Now, to brighten things up, I'm layering a silver champagne shimmer right on the inner corner tear duct area, just tapping it lightly to add that extra glow. For a smoother transition, I'm taking a soft azure blue shade on a fluffy blending brush and blending it along the crease area. This step really helps tie the black and shimmer together while keeping the look soft and diffused. And don't forget the brow bone highlight. I have used the same silver champagne shimmer there as well. Moving to the lower lash line, I am applying black eyeshadow close to the lash first and then tapping it with the same blue shimmer we used earlier. This ties the whole look together and gives that slutty smoky finish. Then I am applying Kajal on both the upper and lower waterline. This adds depth and make the eye look even more defined. Finishing the eye with a generous coat of mascara to lift and voluminize the lashes. I'm using the FAE Beauty Hot Red Lip Liner to outline my lips. Such a gorgeous warm red that complements this cool tone eye look perfectly. For lipstick, I'm using FAE Beauty lipstick in the shade Screw. I have just applied it on the center of the lips and blending it out using my fingers for that soft diffused finish. I love how this blue silver glam turned out. If you like this look, don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.